To check your student's test completion, log into the LTI Client Information Center. Then navigate to AAPPL Test Status and put in a date range that covers your test dates. It's better to put in a wide range rather than a narrow range. Then hit Search. The search results will pull up all of your students and test requests. You can see here there's one column for each possible measure. And if you did not order that measure, it will simply say not ordered. If this is a measure you did order and you want to see if there are any students who are unfinished, click in the top search box at the top of the column and enter in partial and click Enter. Any test that is incomplete will be listed as partially completed, and entering the search term partial will filter the results to only show tests that are partially completed. Tests that are completed will be listed as complete, and then tests that are scored will be listed by score. You can delete whatever you've entered into the box and hit Enter, and that will return all of the search terms again and take away the filter. By searching in each of the measures that you are administering, you can check and see which students have not yet finished. The other thing you should check for is any test labeled with UR. That means the test was unrateable. In other words, it couldn't be scored. UR is only applied to the speaking test, and almost always it means that the recording the student made was garbled, or there was too much background noise, or the student made inappropriate comments. In some way, they simply weren't able to score that response. If your student's test was unrateable, what you'll need to do is have them take the test again, which means submitting a new test request for the student. Please review the module on submitting test requests in order to find out how to do that. If you prefer, you can export all of these test status and results to Excel and sort through it and filter it that way.